Number of people have been asking to RBI, to me, and also questions have been raised in the newspapers, in the electronic media, as to what essentially is the difference between UPI and this CBDC. You see, any UPI transaction involves the intermediation of the bank. So when I use a UPI app, the message goes to my bank account gets debited, money gets transferred to the recipient's, to the receiver's bank, his account gets credited, and he gets a message in his mobile phone. So there is an intermediation of the bank in that process. In CBDC, just as paper currency, you go to a bank, let us say you are drawing some 1,000 rupees currency notes. You draw 1,000 rupees, keep it in your purse, you go to a shop, you have to pay 500 rupees, you take out 500 rupees and pay. Here also, you will draw the digital currency and keep it in your wallet, which will be basically your mobile phone. And when you go and make a payment in a shop or to another individual, it will move from your wallet to his wallet. There is no routing or there is no intermediation of the bank. I thought this is necessary to clarify this point because a lot of people having, this whole question as to what is different between UPI and CBDC. With regard to your question, DG Ravi Shankar can answer.
Yeah, just to expand in a little bit on what the governor said, e-rupi is money, UPI is a payment method. So you can use any payment method to move money. So once that conceptual understanding is clear, I think we will understand the difference. And the key point is that UPI is movement of money from bank account to bank account, as the governor said. This is payment of cash. So it is possible that two private entities can provide wallets and the money can move between that. That's not possible in UPI. UPI, it has to be necessarily between a bank and another bank. Plus the fact that e-rupi is money, its use cases can be many, many more. Money has various functions. It can do any of those functions. And given that that can be done, it all depends on how much our startup ecosystem or fintech system, innovates on this, what kind of payment, channels it opens up using e-rupi as the base. It's much wider. What actually will happen, we'll have to wait and see. We'll set up the base system, then private sector can innovate. Coming to your question on anonymity, you see, a fundamental feature of currency, cash, is anonymity. One of the reasons it's still being used in many developed countries to a large extent is because people love their privacy, people love their anonymity. So for anonymity purposes, currency can be used. How anonymity is to be ensured in the case of a digital currency, because the normal understanding is anything digital leaves a footprint, can have various solutions. We are looking at largely first technological solution. We understand there are technologies possible to do that, so we can use any one of those. It is also possible to get a legal provision to ensure anonymity. So, what exactly will happen will depend on how things evolve. But anonymity is a basic feature of currency and we'll have to do that. And to that extent, it is again different from UPI.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.